Here on the Lightning Dollar Link, on the Checkered Flag, one of my favorite games, we're going to put $20 in, try to double up our money. Let's see how this goes. Minimum bet is 50 cents. These guys are wild. Brum, brum. We need 6 of these trophies. Or 3 of those cards. The nice thing about this game too is you can get the double and triple, mini, minor, major, all that, which is fun. Ooh, it was right there. I hate when that happens. Come on, trophies. Switch up the denom. 2 cent, $1 bet. Okay, we'll do one more here. Whole lot of nothing. Let's switch up back to the 1 cent, 50 cent. Come on, trophies. Ooh, that would have been nice. 2 more. Got a little line hit. $1.30. Nice. Ooh. We need 6 of those trophies. 3 more. Do it. Oh. Ooh, 5. Come on. 1 more. Ooh. $1.25 line hit. 2 more. Two more. One more. Whole lot of nothing. Press the bolt. Alright, are we gonna win? Nope. Well, $20 gone. See you in the next game. Okay, I'm trying another Checkered Flag Lightning Dollar Link. I've got $40 in this time. Let's see what we can get here. Ooh, I thought it was going to be a first spin bonus. Thought we had it. We need 3 of those guys, 6 of those guys. Oh, nice. That'll be good. Are we going to get a banner? Banner, yay! We love a banner. Ooh, $11.80. Nice. cents. 3 more. Okay, let's switch up our denom. 2-cent denom, $1 bet. 1 more. Oh, we got blocked. It's right there. Had your chance. 3 more. The mini on this is 20. Got the minor at 100. Ooh, oh damn. That would have been 200 bucks right there. $0.40. Come on, bonus. $2.16. Alright, back to the 1-cent denom we go. Save us 50 cents. 3 more. Checkered flag, don't do me dirty today. You always are good to me.
Yeah, it was pretty cold. I'm not gonna lie,
Come on. Just one bonus. You're getting 2 a lot. 1 more. 1 more. Oh, come on. Couple out of $1 here. There we go. Nice. Minor on this is 50. Oh, what the heck? What the heck?
what's going on with
That was weird. Oh, maybe I'm gonna get the grand now.
these? Come on now. Grand's at 82,000.
Come on. Imagine I got the grand after that weird thing. $23. Nice. Okay.
Hilarious.
That would have been crazy. Okay, let's go back down to our 50 cents.
I really like that dollar.
Yeah.
That line.
Ooh, $50. One more. It doesn't want to give us the race car
No, it
bonus. One more. Oh, come on. Two again. Nice $25 ball there. back to the 2 cents. Let's try that out for a couple. Do it, do it. Nothing. Okay, last one. Last one on this. Going back up to the 1 cent, $1. $1.50 for that. Come on. Yes, girl. 2 more. Come on. 2 more. 3 more. Come on. It's not complicated. Come on. You have one job. All fired up over there. Couple out $1 here. Yeah. There's some big numbers popping up. We just can't get them. Ooh, a triple mini. $30 right there. Come on, something. I feel like we've never had this shit of luck before.
Yeah.
Not even,
It's pretty cool.
not even the car bonus. Like, I don't think we've ever not had that. Come on. Ooh, 830.
8:30. Hello.
Let's do some dollars. Nothing. Whole lot of nothing. 50 cents. $1.75. Come on. This is wild, not even getting the car bonus. Where are you at, cars? Oh, there we go. Wow.
Oh, bam.
900 years later. Okay, give us that major. Oh, that triple mini was there. That would have been nice. Okay, let's save it. Save it. Save it. Well, at least that was something. I'm just gonna go down to 10. Go down to $10. That way we're only down 50 instead of 60. You just can't give me the car one, can you? Why? Why?
I don't think we've ever played this and not hit the car one.
No. This is one of my favorite games, and it's doing me dirty today. But that's okay. That's how it goes sometimes. 2 spins left. Okay, last spin. Okay, well, we're down $50 on the checkered flag. We put $20 in the first one, and we moved to this bad boy. Put $40 in. We got to 10. It's how it goes sometimes, but honestly, this is one of my favorite games. So make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.